Also trending today, it's National Nursing Week. It's celebrated every year during the second week of May, providing an opportunity to recognize nurses who are the backbone of our healthcare system. They work in different roles in multiple sectors for the well-being of Canadians. Manisa Danabolan joins us live now about how nurses are being honored today. Hey, Manisa.
Hey Kelly, as you mentioned, May 8th to May 14th is National Nursing Week, and in particular today is Indigenous Nurses Day, and May 12th is International Nurses Day. And many have taken to social media to share some stories and show their appreciation.
Nurses take care of our loved ones even when we can't be there.
And it seems like there are so many people here for you to look after.
We always give the very best care we can.
And sometimes the amount of patients far exceeds the number of nurses, but they still make it work.
These people need real attention. We're way over capacity.
Okay, I'll stay late.
They work long hours and take on multiple roles, holding our healthcare system together even before the pandemic. And this week, we get to show our appreciation.
Regardless of your area of nursing practice, you play a critical role across the healthcare systems and continually demonstrate leadership, courage, collaboration, and scientific knowledge, as well as clinical reasoning in many care activities for those requiring nursing care.
The Canadian Nurses Association began the week-long celebration back in 1985. It also coincides with Florence Nightingale's birthday on May 12th, who was the founder of modern nursing. This year's theme is Our Nurses, Our Future. It reminds us of the nursing crisis we've been facing in this country.
It's worldwide. It's not even Canada-wide only, the issue of nursing shortage, the issue of strain on the profession. It's a happy day that we chose this profession. For Ontarians, it will be much happier if we remain in the profession.
The CEO of the Registered Nurses Association of Ontario says we need to retain our nurses because without them, the system crumbles, from delayed surgeries to shutting down emergency rooms due to overcapacity. The pandemic highlighted their courage and commitment when hundreds of healthcare workers experienced burnout. But the problem is still not over. Nurses are still facing many challenges.
They are losing patients from time to time, in terms of having the necessities, basic necessities to do their work. That means healthy work environments, that means supports in the workplace. That means workloads that enable not only safe care, but excellence in practice, competitive compensation, and Ontario is amongst the worst on that.
This year, nursing associations across the country came together and launched a social media campaign. #HeyNurse is an opportunity for the public to share personal thank you messages and memorable stories about nurses online.
Thank you. I know it's so much more than a job. It's part of who you are.
In a statement, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau thanked nurses across the country, from tending to our kids' cuts and scrapes to being with our loved ones in their final moments. Nurses are the backbone of our healthcare system.
You can show your appreciation with the hashtag, but more importantly, you can support nurses in Ontario by visiting the alert page on rnao.ca to send a message to the Premier and MPPs of Ontario.